Good afternoon. This is Brian Splitt with Allendale here for your closing commentary on Thursday, August 4th, 2011. And we had massive selling across the board today in commodities and equities. And first news late last night was that Japan did intervene with their currency. That sent the yen sharply lower, the euro was sharply lower, and the dollar was sharply higher. And that's what really started the selling. But that crept into pretty much every market today. As far as the grains, no exception there. But all things considered, we did finish off the lows in corn and in wheat. And settlements leaving a little bit of hope here for the bulls. But September corn down 12 1/4 today at 6.93 3/4. The December contract managed to settle over $7 at 7.01 1/2, which was down 11 1/2 cents on the day. On the soybeans, September was down 27 1/2 today at 13.36 1/4. We did have the November contract down 27 3/4 at 13.45 1/4. The wheat market, December Chicago down 24 1/2 at 7.25 1/2. The December Kansas City down 26 1/4 at 7.96, and September Minneapolis down 21 1/2 at 8.23 1/4. As far as what the fund activity was today, they were sellers in all the grain markets. 12,000 contracts of corn were sold by the funds, 7,000 contracts of soybeans, and 5,000 contracts of wheat. Something of interest in the corn, since July 1st, the funds have not bought or sold corn in the same direction more than two days in a row. So we've seen 2 days of buying, 2 days of selling, but we haven't seen that third day. So we've got 2 days of selling for the corn market after 2 days of buying that ran us up the limit on Tuesday. So it'll be interesting to see if these funds come in here and sell again, or if there is still buying interest here at $7 ahead of that report next week. As far as other markets are concerned, August hogs very firm today, up 90 points late in the session here at 105.55. The October contract up 35 at 92.60. All the other months were lower, so we did have some bull spreading in the hog market today. August hogs, the record contract highs here, and we've got higher cash and record high pork prices, so that's what's supporting that market. As far as the cattle, we did have August down 37 at 112.75. October down 60 at 117.67, and it seems like we've got a couple things. We were down, but we had a few things that were supportive that did limit the selling. Market-ready cattle, fewer levels of market-ready cattle right now. We've got expectations of possible higher cash and strong exports, and all those things have limited the selling in the cattle market today, with all the outside markets washing away. As far as crude oil, down over $5 today. Last trade in the Globex market down about $5.05 at 86.88. 89.61 was the June low on the continuous chart. So once we ran through that, there was a lot of stops hit, and this market had traveled all the way down to just above $86 a barrel. Next support would be right around the $84 a barrel area, so we'll see if that's going to be where this market goes to next. Gold down about $8 today at 16.55. That's actually after setting some new record highs up near 16.82. We did have silver down about $2.65 an ounce at 39.13 last trade. That's over $3 off the high. And just to give you an idea, if you don't trade silver, $1 in a silver contract, a normal silver contract, is $5,000 of U.S. money. So a $3 move is $15,000. So that's a very large move for the silver market. As far as equity trade, and that seems to be what really caused this mass panic today, did have the Dow down over 400 points at one point in the day. The futures currently trading down about 320. S&P down nearly 40, and NASDAQ down about 60 points. So some massive weakness in equities. That seems to be pulling money out of other markets to pay for losses there, and that seems to be what did catch up to the gold and silver markets today after trading higher early in the day. Another component of this, the dollar up 110 points, and again, typically when the dollar is strong, you're going to see commodities trade on the weak side. So no mincing words about how much selling we had today. It was across the board, and we'll see if that selling does continue tomorrow. But if you have any questions or want to chat about the market, please give us a call at 1-800-2-MARKET. That's 1-800-262-7538, and you can check us out online at www.allendale-inc.com. Good luck trading.